Kaneka lentia ben Mirchi Polo, but pila ben yi ba kaneka kali Assam. Oh, sorry, kali Arunachal. Kawan po yang ni. This is a one-way, my dear friend. You will be caught if you cross that.
I don't know. Sorry.
I purposely making this video because I want to share it with everyone.
Okay.
Understand this, that don't follow Google Map. Google Map can only give you a certain direction but cannot tell you whether it's a no entry or not. Mind that, alright? So keep a check. Ask people whether it's a one way or not. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Turn around, please. Te, kani ka lang patang kamba. Kabar bon ki priyo. Hamtam kali Assam. Not worry, I'm just a concerned citizen helping you guys. Yeah? Have a enjoyable trip. Enjoy कीजिए. So you have to go the round way, okay? Round way. Hey, TJ. They won't say you love kini kali Assam, kali ki bawan na bar jala ki ya ये निकल लेती. अगर Google Map shortcut बनले चखंडा इलाज करेगा नहीं. Andre ha Google Map kim jupili bagane galanti kadega no entry. It does not show on the Google Map that it's a no entry. And many a times after crossing that board, well, they have to pay a fine. So watch this video. Please understand that whenever you're coming and driving around Shillong City, make sure to ask people around whether this route is a one-way or not. Else, well, somebody's got to pay hefty fine for unnecessarily getting into trouble for driving in a no entry zone. Got that? Just an awareness. Catch you on.